Hey guys, I'm going to get Progressbar 12 Expert. Oh, and also one thing. When you got the blue screen of death, when you got the red segment, it gives you this. Redesigned blue screen of death. By the way, I like it when there's 3 eyes. And also, one thing, Kowai needs to fix the blue screen of death into 2 eyes instead of 3 eyes. It looks like an alien. Alien has 3 eyes. Or maybe 2. So I got expert, of course. So, instead of using the pool theme, I'm using the rain theme. Then next, I'm going to get the master theme on Progressbar 12. Also, I like this update. So let's see. There it is. Oh man, I missed it. One time I'm gonna try it, so see you later, guys. Oh wait, I forgot to tell you something. Don't forget to like, comment. Wait a second. I forgot to fix this. There, much better. There, much better. And don't you dare disappear out of nowhere. I mean, don't you dare disappear out of nowhere, okay? Good. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and click on notifications. If not, then that's okay. So see you later, guys. Wait. Is there something? Holidays. Holidays is starting Saturday, 21st at 8 p.m. So, I don't mind with that. Restarting sequence on. Screenshot time again. Got it. I screenshot it again. Now, for my best part, do some fun time on my browser screen. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.